So students, let us discuss one more problem based on trigonometric identities. Let us see what the problem is. See here we have given x equal to a sin theta and y equal to b tan theta. Then we need to prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1. So let us take the given conditions and we need to obtain the a square minus x square by b minus b square by y square equal to what? 1. So just see, let us take the given condition x equal to what? A sin theta. Okay, now do one thing here for a change. Bring this sin theta to other side and bring this x to this side. Okay, then what will happen? A by x, no? So a by x, I am writing this side. A by x equal to, this would be what? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Because we brought this x to this side, here 1 will be remained, 1 by sin theta we get. And what about 1 by sin theta? Can we express 1 by sin theta as cosecant theta or not? Yes, because sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. That means inverse of each other. So here we can represent this as what? Cosecant theta, right? Next one, take y equal to b tan theta. Y equal to b tan theta. Okay, so just do one thing. Here bring this y to this side. That means b comes under denominator and 1 will be left over here. And bring this tan theta to this side. Then tan theta will come under denominator. Then it means 1 by tan theta. Let us write it down. So b by y, when we bring this y to this side, 1 is left over, so 1 by tan theta. When we bring this tan theta to this side, 1 by tan theta, right? So what is 1 by tan theta? Yes, it is cot theta. Why? Because tan theta and cot theta are reciprocals of each other, so we can represent 1 by tan theta as cot theta. Cot theta, right? So do something here, square on both sides. Okay, for this condition, squaring on both sides. What do we get? A by x whole square equal to, what is this? Cosecant theta whole square. So what is this? A square by x square equal to cosecant square theta. Okay, and this would be here also square on both sides. What do we get? B by y whole square equal to cot theta whole square. So now further simplified as b square by y square equal to cot square theta. Okay, you can assume that this is equation 1 and this would be equation 2. If you don't write also, it's okay, but for a process I'm writing like this. Anyways, so if you do 1 minus 2, okay, 1 minus 2, then what will happen? In LHS part, a square by x square minus b square by y square. A square by x square minus b square by y square will be what? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta on RHS part. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. What it would be? This is a trigonometric identity or not? Third identity of trigonometry is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So the value of this would be how much? 1. So finally we obtained what? A square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1. So this is it. It's a very simple problem.